Hello, guys. So, this is a breaking news from the Telegraph. So, then when they let us know, so Thomas Partey has been charged with 5 counts of rape and 1 count of assault charges. So, according to the Telegraph, the Crown Prosecution Services line let them know. So, break. In fact, this news in the last 10-15 minutes now it just dropped because I just see the notification from Tom Morgan, maybe one of the journalists that works with the Telegraph. So they said breaking Thomas Partey, the former Arsenal midfielder, charged with 5 counts of rape and 1 count of sexual assault. Now, when you enter the story, you see the headline also. You can say this is a 2.5 year investigation that leaves Premier League club facing intense criticism after the midfielder has been charged with 5 counts of rape. Now, Thomas Partey, the former Arsenal footballer, has been charged with 5 counts of rape. We know that. According to the Crown Prosecution Services, the bombshell case leaves the Premier League facing intense criticism. Telegraph Sports has exclusively revealed in July 2022 how a Premier League international had been arrested, but only now his name can be published. Say back then, I dey talk say the reason wey make Arsenal no go give Partey a contract na because of this case wey dey hover around im head, according to the Crown Prosecution Services. And I remember there was a time a report came out that the Crown Prosecution Service never talk say the case is dead. Dem say dem get all the evidence wey dem need to prosecute the case. People were arguing then that e no mean. Now, imagine say Partey's wages when dey talk say make Arsenal give am. Arsenal come actually give am that wages, give am everything, they come sign the bill. By the virtue of the fact that the Crown Prosecution Services want to prosecute this case, do you know that whether Partey is innocent or guilty, because according to the law, you are innocent until proven guilty, Arsenal will first of all suspend am. Say making they go first. Arsenal will come decide whether they pay am money as a suspender or they no go pay am money as a suspender. Because when you look at precedents, according to this guy who played for Manchester City, the name has escaped my memory now, wey be say they also sue am say for rape charges, they carry am go court, wey Man City actually first dey pay am, later Man City come actually say dem no go pay am again. Later the guy came out and sued Man City for wages and won. So Arsenal will not be in that debacle. There will be so much negative press on us, but now as long as say the player don comot on one side, in fact now because they ask say who know whether Partey don't know of this thing, that's why I wan run comot for England. I no know, me just dey talk. Maybe that's why I wan go Turkey. But at the end of the day, no matter the club where they go, he's going to be coming back to England to be coming to the case. That is if they grant am bail, because now they will never arrest him again. Then if they can't grant am bail, then we know there's no way he can be playing football and be going to court case about the rape. That's the truth. But most of you see, like, it's a developing story. Before evening, we'll get more updates on this story. So naturally, just be so my ideas, lovers, as you were.